In this tutorial I will show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. First of all, let's open up the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile picture. As you can see, I follow 15 people on Instagram, but only 5 actually follow me back. So in order to see who is not following me back, let's tap on where it says following. So for example, if I go to one of these accounts and look at the following list, I can search for my name. And as you can see, this person does not follow me. So let's go back and unfollow this user. This is the only way to unfollow people who don't follow you back. You just have to go through their following list and see whether or not they are following you. There are some apps that can help with this to do it easier. In order to use those apps, you have to give them access to your Instagram account. I don't recommend using them because who knows what they do with your account information. So instead of using those apps, you can manually do this, as I show you in this tutorial.